Hello.
Yeah, hi Sonam, hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Yes, now it's
I can
very
hear.
clear. I think some network issue in your Wi-Fi might be.
Yeah, I don't know what's
No,
happening.
no problem. Yeah. Okay, so let's start now without wasting any time. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, first of all, just brief me. Uh, I think your husband name is Yogesh, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yeah. He briefed me about all that. I think your visa and all that thing. Just brief me about your requirement. Accordingly, I'll just tell you like how you have to plan the course and how you have to manage the time and all. How much time it will take for us. So let me know and then we'll start.
Okay. I can. I guess he asked me. Look,
Like for what purpose are you planning to learn? Like for mainly for that visa and all, or for jobs and all?
for jobs.
Okay, okay. And what is your field?
Mostly for visa, and
Mm-hmm.
then
Okay, okay, okay.
in,
Yes, yes,
yeah.
okay. And what's your field of work?
I'm a design.
Design in IT, right?
No, I'm a fashion design
Okay,
and
okay,
designer.
okay, great, great, great. Yeah, so I think possibly you target to learn till B1 level. Okay, that's a that's B1 is a very common standard requirement for jobs everywhere in these non-technical fields. Okay, sometimes
Okay.
if you have done A2 very well and you are very good in speaking, then that's also an advantage. But otherwise, like B1 B2, if the person has done it, then he's like more or less quite fluent in the spoken skills, and that thing actually matters, right? Okay, so let's start now. If you have seen, I have sent you some videos on WhatsApp. Did you watch them before this class?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes. Yes.
okay,
Yes.
okay, okay, good. So were you able to understand something out of that?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so we'll start with that only today, right? See, whenever we start a new language, first of all, we start with the pronunciation. We just see that what are the letters in that language, what script is being used, and what are the sounds. Before directly
Okay.
moving on to the grammar and sentences, first of all, you have to understand that how the words are being made there, and how you have to spell out, and how you have to read, how you have to speak those words. Okay. So
Okay.
German, as you
Okay.
know, it's a European language. It has the same script, same ABCD which you have in English, same 1 2 3 4 which you have in English. No change in all that. Okay. Only thing is that they have something extra. Like you have 26 letters in English, so in German they have like 4 extra letters. You might have seen some two dots, a umlaut, o umlaut, like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so these two
Yeah.
dots basically these two dots are called umlaut. If you can see, I've written on your Skype. If you see this
Okay.
two dots on A, so A umlaut, O umlaut, then U umlaut, like this we do. And one is your beta. This Strasse, no, you have Strasse street. So this beta, these three, 4 letters are extra apart from the usual English ABCD. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
see, first of all, now we'll be starting with this ABCD song. Okay, these are the names of letters. Just like in English, you have a ABCD song, A B C D E F G H, like that. Similarly, similar kind of song we have in German, but this is comprising the German ABCD, the German letters. Okay, so they will
Okay.
speak the German names of letters. Like in English, you say ABCD, they will say A B C D. They will speak the German names of these letters. Okay, German name of
Okay.
A is A, then B, then say, like this. So I am playing it twice. Okay, then I'll tell you what is the use of this. Okay, yeah, no need to
Okay.
note down anything. All this video, PDF, everything I'll be sending you. Right?
Oh,
Yeah,
ठीक.
listen to it.
Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Once again.
Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
So that's the German ABCD. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's compare it with English. So if I bring it to the beginning, we in English we have A B C D E F G, right? In German we have
Yeah.
A B C D E F G. You have to repeat after me. A B C D.
A B C D.
Again A B C D. Put some stress. A B C D.
A B C D.
AFG.
AFG.
Yes. Then Ha I yacht ka.
Ha I yacht ka.
LMNO pay.
LMNO pay.
Correct. Then QRST.
Sorry.
QRST.
Q.
R.
Next.
R.
R. S. T.
U far way.
U far way.
Correct. QRST. U far way. And then next is X, Epsilon und Z. Speak.
X. Epsilon.
Yeah. Und
Next.
Z. And is und. X, Epsilon und Z.
Excel.
Epsilon.
Epsilon.
X, Epsilon und Z.
Epsilon und
Und
Z.
Z. This word und. Und means and. So we say na X, Y and Z. So that's the same thing.
Okay.
X, Epsilon und Z.
Und. Okay.
Okay. Got it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Repeat again. A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
A, F, G.
A, F, G.
Ha, I, yacht ka.
Ha I yacht ka.
LMNO pay.
LMNO pay.
QRST.
Q R S T.
U far way.
U far way.
X, Epsilon und Z.
X Epsilon und Z.
Okay. Got it now? Tell
Yeah.
me. Yes. So I'm playing it once again, twice. Okay. Listen to it.
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Once again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay. Yeah. Now repeat it on your own. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Repeat it on your own.
A, B, C, D, F,
A, F, G. A, F, G.
A, F, G.
Then.
H,
E, Ha, E.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Ha, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Then after that. Q, R.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W.
U, far away. Okay. Then next. X.
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 X, Epsilon und Z.
Correct. X, Epsilon und Z.
Z. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Clear now till here?
Yes.
Okay, good. X, Epsilon und Z. Now you have to understand what is the purpose of learning this ABCD.
Okay.
See, what happens, many times there are some words which we have to speak with the help of these names. Example, if I say BMW, it's a car company. Okay, in India you say BMW, or anywhere else in the world you will say BMW, but in Germany you will use the German B, M and W, BMW. Getting?
Okay.
BMW. Similarly, there is one more company, Volkswagen. So in short they call it VW. You remember? VW, that one. Okay.
Yes.
If I have the example of CD, right, the movie CD which you have, so they will say CD. Okay, CD, Abed CD, so CD. So whenever you have these kind of capital letters, okay, wherever you have these kind of capital letters, you have to use the actual German ABCD. You don't have to use the English one. And one very common question in the A1 exam, not in the A2, but in A1 exam they usually ask. The question is that whatever is your name, you have to spell out the letters of your name in the capital letters. Okay. See, what is the purpose of that? Just suppose that you are going to a government office, okay? And you are telling your name, the person who is sitting there, he does not know English or any other language apart from German, right? So what happens, just like if you see in India, you go to an office and let's say you go to a different state where the person does not know your native language. Let's say I am from Rajasthan, my native language is Hindi, and just suppose I go to, let's say, Chennai, where there is no Hindi, they use Tamil, something like that. Okay, then the person will ask me to repeat the letters of my name. That I'm saying my name is Raman, then he'll say what letters? R, A, M, N. So it happens many times with us. Okay, so that is the purpose of this, right? That is the purpose of this. So when they ask you to spell out the letters, you have to use the German ABCD. So S, O, N, A, and M. That is in English. Now in German, if you remember, Q, R. Okay, what was the sentence? M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So S, O, N, A, M, like this. Okay, you have to use the German set of letters. Use the German set of letters to speak that name. That's a very common question. Usually like 99% they ask in A1 always. It's a very predictable question. So practice it properly. That how to learn this video. I'll be sending this video and practice it out properly. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Now come to the actual topic. So what we have done is we have just seen what are the names of these German ABCD. Now you have to actually understand their sound. You have to actually understand their sounds. Let's say when I write your name, I don't call you as SONAM. I'll call you as Sonam. Right?
Okay.
Because I am using the sounds. I am merging S and then O and then N and then A and then M, the sound together. So that becomes like so plus na plus something like together. So that becomes Sonam. If I say India, we never call it INDIA, we say India because now you are using the sounds. Okay? INDIA, these are the names of letters which you did in that ABCD video. So that's a different thing. Now you have to come to the sounds that okay, something is written. Let's say if I say Germany, so you will say Germany because you are merging the sounds. J plus A plus R plus M like this. Clear?
Okay.
So now you have to come to the sounds. So for sounds, we have some set of rules which you have to understand one by one. Okay. I have shared my screen. I hope you can see that.
Okay.
Yeah. So German, as you know, it uses the same Roman set of letters from A till Z. We have basically two parts in this. First is the vowel and second is the consonants that you know. Okay.
Yeah.
A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and consonants are your B, C, D till Z. So first of all, I am drawing one table. The table is whenever any word in German, if it is ending with B, D and G. If it is ending with B, D and G. Ending means in the end of the word, if any B, D or G is coming, then respectively the sound of that word. Respectively the sound of this B, D and G will be per, ta and ka sound will be there. Okay? Any word ending with B, D and G. In the end of the word, if B, D or G is coming, then the sound will be per, ta and ka. So speak the example, G-I-B. How you will speak? Geep. Okay. Then K-I-N-D. Speak next.
Kint.
Kint. Then speak next. T-A-G. Tak.
Tak.
Okay. Geep, Kint and Tak. Got it?
Tak.
Geep, Kint and Tak. So you can see Geep means give, Kint means child and Tak means day. So there is one very common greeting, Guten Tag. So you will not call it as Tag. You will say Tak, Guten Tag.
Okay.
Okay. Geep, Kint and Tak.
Tak.
Yeah. Okay. And in middle the sounds are written. So Geep, you have to speak like Geep, then Kint and then Tak like this.
Okay.
Next is A. A is having two sounds. A is having two sounds. A and A. A is having two sounds. A and A. A and A, two sounds are there. A sound, if you see your name spelling, Sonam, A sound is there. Okay. And if I take any other example, let's say car, then A sound is there. These two sounds I am talking about. A and A. How you will decide? You have to count the consonants. You have to count the consonants. Consonants are B, C, D till Z. You have to count the consonants coming after A directly. So first tell me A, L, T. After A, how many consonants?
Two.
Two consonants. Okay, just hold on. F-R-A-G-E-N. How many consonants?
One.
One. Directly only one.
One, two.
Only no. Directly you have to count. Only direct one.
Okay.
See this.
Direct one.
Yeah. After G is there, so we'll not count N. We'll count only G. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Then TRAGEN. After A, how many?
1.
1. Now the rule is after A, if it is only one consonant. Okay. After A, if it is only one consonant, then it will be A sound. A. So speak this example. Fragen.
Fragen.
Right?
Yeah.
Clear? Fragen. And next
Yes.
is Tragen. After A, one consonant, that is Tragen.
Okay.
Clear?
Dragon.
Correct. And
Yeah.
if you see the first example, ALT. So that is having two sounds.
2 sounds.
Right? So
Yeah.
two consonants, sorry, not two sounds, two consonants. So that will have the A sound, alt.
Alt.
Got it?
Yeah. Alt.
Yeah. Next is E. E is having the A sound. E is not having any counting. Okay? E is not having any counting. It is just the A sound. A. Got it?
Okay.
E
A.
is just having the A
Yeah.
sound. So speak this example, SN and egal.
Essen. Egal.
Yeah, SN and egal.
Egal.
Yeah?
Essen and egal. Yeah.
Yes. Next is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Okay?
Okay.
Right? I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Got it? Long E and
Okay.
short E, again
Okay.
the same story. Now see, this egal is clear now after a one consonant. Okay?
Yeah.
Egal is clear?
It's clear.
Correct. So now I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Again same story, you have to do the counting. After I, if it is single consonant, then long E, otherwise short E. So try to solve these three examples. First one is
Esek.
ist.
Ist. Okay.
Then second one, WIDER.
Vida.
Wieder. See, after I one consonant, na, that's wieder.
Wieder.
Okay. Then BILD. After I, how many?
2.
2. So that's the short E, built.
Built.
Good.
Okay. Built.
And D in the end is built. Now again you see here GIB. Tell me after I, how many?
1.
1. So long E. Geep. Then KIND. After I, how many?
2.
2. Short E. Kint. Okay.
Yeah. Kent.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
TAG. After I, how many?
1.
1. So that becomes A sound. Tak.
Tak.
Okay.
Okay.
Geep, Kint and Tak. A, E and I. Right. Then
Right.
next which we have is O. O is having two sounds. Same story again. After O, if it is one consonant, then it is O sound. Okay. Otherwise, it's O for awesome. Otherwise, it is O for awesome. So speak the example. First one.
Order.
Order.
Sorry. Order. Soll.
Yeah.
Monat. Corp.
Corp. Okay.
Okay.
Got it? Order, Zol, as single S is the double S is sir.
Yeah.
Got it?
Okay.
Order, Zol, Monat
Yes.
and Corp. Order,
Okay.
Zol, Monat and Corp. B in the end is per. Order, Zol, Monat and Corp.
Corp. Okay.
Yes. Tell me any doubt?
No. It's clear.
Yeah. Okay. Then next is U. U is having the U sound. U is having the U sound.
No sound.
Yes.
Okay.
U is having the U sound. So speak the example. There is no counting. There is no single double. Okay. So normal U sound.
Okay. Tune.
Tone. Next is mutter.
Motor.
Yeah. Next.
Shoe.
Shoe. Okay. SCH is sure. See, SCH is a combination. Once we do ABCD, then we'll have one topic called combinations. SCH is a consonant combination. SCH is having the sh sound. You have heard one company, Bosch. Okay.
Yes.
Schindler, like this, they make elevators and all. Schneider. Okay. And one more there, Schneidler. 2, 3 are there, same similar sounding names. So everywhere you will see SCH is having the sh sound. So that's a consonant combination. It's a combination. SCH is having the sh sound and H in the end is silent. That I'll tell you in the consonants. So this becomes total shoe.
Okay.
This becomes shoe. Tone, motor, and shoe. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So now see what I'm doing. First of all, I'll send you this PDF. So you go through that for 5-7 minutes. A E I O N U. I sent you on this Skype chat. Check it. You can download in your laptop.
Okay.
First of all, download the file. Go through the file for 5-7 minutes. Try to revise the rules. Remember the rules. Okay, and then you will explain me in short whatever we have done. A E I O N U. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Done? From EEIOU?
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Okay.
done.
Yeah, you can see my screen. Okay, so just repeat the rule and repeat the examples. Okay, both.
Sorry?
Yeah, repeat the rule and repeat the examples. Okay.
Okay.
You can see my screen and then see and then speak.
Okay.
Hmm.
If the word ends with B,
Hmm.
it has a sound of B.
Hmm.
Oh.
Yeah.
And if it ends with D, it has a sound of T. T.
Yeah.
And if the word ends with G,
Hmm.
it will have a sound of K.
Correct. So speak the example. Geep, kind, and tak.
Geep,
Yeah.
Ken, and Tak.
Correct. Next.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Then
Al.
A is having two sounds.
Yeah. Alt,
Hmm.
Fragen,
Hmm.
Tragen.
Hmm. Okay. Next,
Yeah.
E is having just the A sound. Speak the example.
Essen,
Yeah.
Essen,
Hmm.
Egal,
Hmm. Next, I is having two sounds, long E and short E.
Ist,
Hmm.
Vidar,
Vidar, not Vidar. Vidar.
oh, sorry, Wieder,
Hmm.
Bild,
Built. Okay, good. A, E, I. Next is O. O is having two sounds, O and O. Speak the example.
Order,
Order. Yeah.
Zoll,
Hmm.
Monat,
Hmm.
Korb,
Okay. Then next is U. U is having sound U. Speak the example.
Tun,
Hmm.
Mutar,
Mutter and shoe. Okay.
Shu, yeah.
Tun, mutter and shoe.
Shu,
Correct. Okay. Now we'll start with the consonant. So first consonant which we have is B. First consonant which we have is B. B in the end is per. Okay. B in the end is per. Beginning or middle is B for Bombay. B in the end is
okay.
per and beginning or middle is B for Bombay. B for Bombay. So speak the
Bombay,
example.
Belen,
Hmm.
Oben,
Oben.
Oben,
Hmm.
Kor,
Hmm.
Geep,
Geep. Okay. Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep.
okay.
Right. Next is C. C is having the ka sound. So speak the example.
Camping,
Camping. Yeah. Correct. Next is D. D in the end is ter and beginning or middle is D for dog. Okay.
okay.
D in the end is ter and beginning or middle is D for dog. So speak the example.
Dome,
Hmm. Bida.
Bider,
Hmm.
Wider,
Vidar.
Wider,
Hmm.
yeah. Bat,
Hmm.
and Hunt,
Hunt. Okay. Dom, Bida, Vidar, Bat and Hunt.
Hunt,
Yes. Got it? Dom,
yeah.
Bida, Vidar, Bat and Hunt.
Hunt,
Hunt. Yeah, little bit A sound will come. Okay. Don't make it pure hunter, hunt. Okay. Little bit A sound will come.
okay. Hunt,
Yeah. Okay.
okay.
Yes. So clear to hear now? Vidar, Bat
Yeah.
and Hunt. Okay. Next is F. F is simple first sound. Okay. F is simple first sound. So speak the example.
Foul,
AU is ow. Okay. AU is having the ow sound. AU is ow.
okay. Foul, Shoff,
Shaft. SCH is sha na.
Shaft,
And after it's one
yeah.
consonant. The foul and then shaft.
Shaft, okay.
Shaft.
Shaft,
Correct. Yeah. Next is G. G in the end is ka and beginning or middle is ga for gun. G in the end is
okay.
ka. Beginning or middle is ga for gun. Okay. G in the end is ka. Beginning or middle is ga for gun. So speak the example.
Gegen,
Gegen.
Tag,
Tag.
Clock,
Klug. Gegen,
Klug.
Tag and Klug. Yeah, got it?
Okay.
Gegen, Tag and Klug. G in the
Klug.
end is K. Next is H. H in the beginning is her. Beginning means first position. H in the beginning is her and middle or end it is silent. H in the beginning is her, middle or end it is silent. Okay, so speak the example.
Halt.
Halt, yeah.
Gehen.
Gehen and Zen.
Zen.
Okay, halt, gehen and Zen.
And okay. Halt,
Zen.
gehen and Zen.
Correct. Okay, clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Next is J. J is having the year sound. Year. Year for yellow. Year for yellow. Year sound. So speak the example.
Junge.
Younger.
Junge.
Yeah, correct. Next is KLM and P that is having the same sound. Ka, la, ma, na, pa. KLM and P that is having the same sound. Ka, la, ma, na, pa. Okay. So speak the example.
1 and 2.
Klasse.
Klasse.
Klasse. Yeah.
Schicken. Keller. Well.
Okay. Will. Next is Atman.
Atman. Schwimm. Rene.
Rennen. Yeah.
Brown.
Brown. Very good. Brown. Next.
Lippo.
Lippa, not Lippo. Lippa. E. See, this is the actual word. In the middle, it is the sound. Sound is for your further understanding. You know, after the class, when you will refer the PDF, you have something to help you. So you can this in the middle column. I have just written the sound that you have to speak like this: Lippa, brown, rennen, shrimp, something like this. Okay. These are not the actual words. They are just basically a guide to pronunciation. That okay, you have to basically orient your sound like this. This is the actual word, and the right hand side, this is the actual meaning. So meanings we are not discussing right now. Leave the meanings, we'll take them after 1 or 2 classes. Right now we are just taking the words only. Okay, brown and then lippa. Sure? Okay, now again you do revision. Start from that PDF, revise it for 5 minutes from B till P. Okay, revise them for 5 minutes and then we'll discuss again from the consonants. Yeah?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, done now. Start from B. Speak the examples from B.
Balen,
Hmm.
Oben,
Hmm.
Kop,
Hmm.
Geep,
Okay, then next.
Camping.
Camping, it's an English word. They have taken from English, so you can speak like camping, simple.
Okay, camping.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
Doom,
Hmm.
sorry.
Doom, Bida.
Bide,
Hmm.
Weather,
Hmm.
Bat,
Yeah.
Hunt,
Hunt. Doom, Bida, Widder, Bart, and Hunt. Then next, F.
Foul,
Foul.
Shaft,
Yeah.
Gegen,
Gegen.
Tag,
Hmm.
Klug,
Luke. Okay. Then next is H. Speak the examples.
Halt,
Halt. Yeah.
Gegen, Gen,
Hmm.
Sein,
Okay. Halt, Gehen, Zehen, and right. Then next is Junga.
Junge,
Hmm.
Klasse,
Hmm.
Chicken,
Hmm.
Keller,
Hmm.
Will,
Hmm.
Atman,
Hmm.
Schwimm,
Hmm.
Rene,
Hmm.
Ren, Brown,
Yeah.
Lipper.
Lipper. KLMNOP till here you have done. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. So tell me any doubt. We'll do till P only today.
No, I think it's clear now.
It's clear? Okay.
Yeah.
So today let's do till here, right? I have another class actually at 1:30. So just one
Okay.
second. Today your homework is that you have to revise these rules till P. Okay. Revise them 2-3
Okay.
times. I'm going a little bit slow today because it's a totally new subject for you. So you take your time. No, there's no hurry. Okay. We have enough time in hand. Right?
Okay.
The next lecture we'll try to finish the pronunciation, and then after doing this till Z, then we have something called as the combinations. Just like one combination I told you, SCH and all that, these kind of combinations we'll do. Okay?
Okay.
So just
Okay.
hold on 1 second, let me close this.